Hello guys, welcome to Adobe Tutorials. In this tutorials, we are going to learn about the new tool called Content Aware Fill. It is used to remove unwanted objects from videos and is introduced in the latest update of After Effects CC 2019. So let's get started. Open the After Effects. You can see this tool here on the right panel. If you don't, just go to Windows and check the Content Aware Fill. I'm going to explain with 3 examples. Let's import the first video to the composition. In this footage, we want to remove the acne mark from model's face. Select an ellipse tool and take a mask around the acne mark. Set the mask to none so that we can see what we are doing. Give a feather of 10 pixels. You can see that the mark is moving frame by frame, so for this, first we have to track the mask path. Let me make the composition a little bit shorter. Make it to about 5 seconds. Press N on the keyboard. Then right click and select trim comp to work area. Now track the mask. Right click on the mask and then click on track mask. You have to be at the start of the composition. Click on forward track button. Now you can see the mask is connected with the acne mark. After this, set the mask to subtract. If you don't see this transparency, click on the button. Set the alpha expansion to about 25, fill method to object, and click on generate fill layer. It's saying to save your project. After analyzing, wait for rendering process. Look at the magic of this tool. It did what we want. Now import the other footage to the composition. In this footage, we want to remove the clock from the wall. Just like before, take an ellipse tool and take a mask around the clock. Make feather 10 pixels. For this particular footage, we don't need to track the mask. As you can see that the clock is still, it's not moving. Set the mask to subtract, set the fill method to surface, and click on generate fill layer. Boom! Check out the magic. Now import the third footage. This process is similar to the first one, so let me speed it up. Here, select the fill method to edge blend and click on generate fill layer. Thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to subscribe our channel to learn more like this. See you in the next tutorial.